Alright, so in this video, I have 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. So I want to find the value of this. To start, what I'm first going to do is focus on what I have inside the parentheses. So I have 9 and 4, and I'm going to rewrite this as 3 squared over 4 squared to the power of 9 over 4. And the reason I did this is because if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So in this case, this turns into 3 over 4 to the power of 2, and I have this to the power of 9 over 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this turns into 3 over 4 to the power of 2 times 9 over 4, which turns into 3 over 4 to the power of 18 over 4, which is 3 over 4 to the power of 9 over 2. Sorry, this should be 3 over 2 to the power of 9 over 2. Now, 9 over 2, I'm going to rewrite that as 4 plus 5 over 2. And this is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2. Now from here, I get 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 over 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this gives me 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2. Because if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Now 3 over 2 squared is 9 over 4, so I have 9 over 4 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2. And 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of 3 over 2 to the power of 5. And this turns into 9 over 4 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 2, and the square root of 3 put to the power of 5, the square root of 2 I can put to the power of 5. Now the square root of 3 to the power of 5 is equal to the square root of 3 times 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 the square root of 3. So two square root of 3's multiplied to each other simply make 3. So I have 3 times the square root of 3, which is equal to 9 root 3. And for the square root of 2 to the power of 5, it's the same thing. It's going to be 2 times the square root of 2, which is equal to 4 root 2. So now I get 9 over 4 times 9 root 3 over 4 root 2. And if I multiply 9 over 4 with this, I get 81 root 3 over 16 root 2. Which turns into 81 to the power of 6 over 32. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 10 to the power of 20 over 20 to the power of 10. So I want to find the value of this. So for my solution, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 20 equals over 20 to the power of 10. And I'm going to rewrite this as 10 to the power of 10 plus 10 over 20 to the power of 10. So I rewrote 20, my exponent here, as 10 plus 10. Now, the reason I did that is so I can use the property a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this is an important property of exponents, and I'm going to use this on 10 to the power of 10 plus 10. So now 10 to the power of 10 plus 10, that's going to turn into, we can think of both 10 as both m and n, so this turns into 10 to the power of 10 times 10 to the power of 10 all over 20 to the power of 10. Now, this can be written as 10 to the power of 10 times 10 to the power of 10 over 20 to the power of 10. All I did was I just grouped 10 to the power of 10 over 20 to the power of 10, because this way I can use the property a to the power of m over b to the power of m is equal to a over b to the power of m. So in this case, this turns into 10 to the power of 10 times 10 over 20 to the power of 10, which is equal to 10 to the power of 10 times 1/2 to the power of 10. And finally, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times b to the power of m, this is equal to a times b to the power of m. So this is going to turn into 10 times 1/2 to the power of 10, which is equal to 5 to the power of 10. So if you liked the video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and also share this with any friends or family. Thank you.